Some people move on quickly, while others take time to heal. Every person in relationship is different. Some wives may seek companionship soon after leaving, while others may remain single for a long time. I'm sorry you're going through this. Breakups are tough, especially with unanswered questions. It's natural to wonder about your wife's actions, but focus on your own well-being. Feeling angry, hurt, and afraid is completely understandable in this situation. Are you feeling more hurt, confused, or angry? Sometimes talking it out helps.
It's natural to feel angry, hurt, and afraid when someone you loved and trusted leaves. These feelings can be overwhelming. It's okay to feel angry and scared. These emotions are normal, but don't let them control you. Instead of thinking about what she's doing, focus on what you need: support, exercise, or just time to heal. Thinking about who she's with will only hurt you. Shift your energy towards your future, not her actions. If you need to vent, talk to someone who supports you. Writing down your feelings can also be helpful.
What you're feeling is valid. Doubt and suspicion can overwhelm you, especially when trust is broken. Ask yourself, what do you need most right now? Proof or peace? Do you need answers or closure? Control or acceptance? Remember, you can manage your thoughts, but not her actions. Revenge or moving forward? Anger is natural, but it drains your energy. Focus on healing. What can help you right now? Talk to someone you trust, like a friend or therapist. Refocus on yourself and stop giving her power over your emotions. You deserve peace.
You're feeling a mix of anger, betrayal, and concern for your daughter's future. The real question is, do you want to make decisions for your happiness, or just to hurt her? Maybe your remarriage might affect her pride and ego, but that shouldn't be your main goal. Your peace and happiness should be. Your daughter is the most important person in this situation. She deserves stability and love, a good co-parenting relationship, and a stepmother who cares. Heal before remarrying. Don't rush into a marriage just to prove something. Do it for love, and not revenge. Prioritize your daughter. She needs a strong, happy father more than anything else. Let go of her control over your emotions. Would you like to talk about how to move forward with your daughter's best interest in mind? I'm here to help.
Creating a future for your daughter and yourself is vital. She needs love, stability, and security from both you and your environment. Co-parenting is essential. Work toward a civil relationship with your ex-wife to provide your daughter with stability. Set boundaries, focusing on her needs, avoiding conflicts, and show her love from both parents, even if times are tough. If you're considering a new relationship, assess if your partner can love her as their own. Stability is key. Give your daughter emotional security. Ensure she knows she can rely on you no matter the changes in your life. Prioritize your healing too. Focus on self-care, rebuilding resilience, and avoid revenge-driven decisions. Let your ex-wife process her feelings about your new relationship. It's important for your daughter's environment. Make decisions for your happiness and your daughter's bright future. Live positively, and that's the best example.
Even if things ended badly with your ex-wife, try to work towards a civil and respectful co-parenting relationship. This will help give your daughter stability. Set boundaries that focus on her needs. Avoid putting her in the middle of conflicts or using her as a pawn. Show your daughter that she's loved by both parents, even if your relationship with your ex-wife isn't ideal. Think about what your daughter needs when considering remarriage. Will your new partner love her as their own? Will your daughter adapt to the change in a healthy way? Ensure the relationship adds stability, not chaos. Provide your daughter emotional security. Spend quality time with her and reassure her that you'll always be there. Take care of your own healing. Focus on self-care and rebuild your emotional resilience. If your ex-wife feels hurt by your remarriage, let her react. It's her responsibility to work through her feelings. Don't let her feelings control your decisions. Focus on your happiness and your daughter's future. Show your daughter that life moves forward positively, focusing on your peace.
You're ready to take real steps toward healing and building a stable, happy future for yourself and your daughter. Accept that some answers won't come. Closure comes from within, not from her. Forgiveness doesn't mean excusing her actions. It means letting go so she no longer has power over your emotions. Channel your emotions into healthy outlets like working out, meditation, journaling, or therapy. When you feel anger or fear, ask yourself, does this thought serve me? Shift focus if needed. Remember, the best revenge is living well and being happy. Stay focused on your daughter. Keep conversations about her, not your past. Treat difficult communications like a business deal, keeping them short, clear, and calm. Avoid speaking badly about your ex to your daughter. Negative talk can hurt her emotionally. Date when you're ready, not as a reaction to past pain. Choose a partner who values your daughter and loves her as her own. If a new relationship develops, introduce your daughter gradually. You're focused on moving forward in a healthy way for both you and your daughter, which is a strong foundation for healing. 1. Prioritize emotional healing. Take time to heal and acknowledge your overwhelming emotions without judgment. Seek therapy or counseling for unpacking emotions and gaining clarity. A professional can guide your healing process. Stay connected with friends or family who support your well-being. You need a strong support network during this time. 2. Establish co-parenting boundaries. Keep communication with your ex focused solely on your daughter's needs. Set clear boundaries for your mental health. Avoid engaging in arguments that might cause emotional conflict. Create a consistent, loving routine for your daughter. She needs predictability to feel secure amidst changes. 3. Take your time with remarriage. Wait for the right partner and ensure remarrying is based on love and shared vision. Introduce a potential partner gradually and assess if the relationship is stable enough for your daughter. Blend families carefully to create trust and respect, keeping your child's needs at the forefront of decisions. 4. Shift focus to your daughter's well-being. Spend quality, undistracted time with her to create a safe space. Encourage her expression about emotions or questions regarding your separation for open communication. Consider therapy or coaching. A professional can guide you through healing and co-parenting strategies. Start daily self-care routines. Exercise, mindfulness, or journaling can help shift your mindset. Plan for your daughter's future. Focus on giving her a stable and loving environment. Would you like more practical strategies for managing co-parenting or emotional exercises? Let me know how I can help.